Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by picking a reputable VPN provider and signing in. This matters because privacy and speed depend on the service. Once done, make sure your PC operating system is up to date and that you have your username and password ready. Now download the correct installer for Windows or Mac OS to the Downloads folder. If prompted, allow installer permissions, then run the installer and follow on-screen prompts to install the VPN app. You'll be ready for configuration in the next step. You open the newly installed VPN app and sign in with your credentials. This authenticates your device to the network. Next, select a server, pick a nearby server for speed or a specific country for content access, and understand that latency increases with distance. Make sure to enable the kill switch so apps stop if the VPN drops, set auto-connect on trusted networks, and choose a protocol WireGuard for speed, OpenVPN for compatibility. Once connected, verify your new IP and location in the app. You finish by testing access to the sites or services you need and confirm your IP and DNS changed. That proves the VPN is functioning. If speeds feel slow, switch to a different server or protocol and make sure no background downloads are using bandwidth. When things go wrong, restart the VPN client, flush your DNS cache, and temporarily disable conflicting firewall or security apps to isolate the problem. If issues persist, gather logs and contact provider support. Most offer chat or email guidance.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.